Hello class 9 students. Today we start from the class 9 maths first section from the menstruation. Menstruations, there is a fourth chapter in your second unit test. First one is 15.1 where we deals the area and perimeter of the rectangular field or rectangular place, and one is square. So please see this one. You know the square's formula is for the perimeter 4a. If a is the side centimeter, then it is also 4a centimeter. Area is equal to a square centimeter, and the diagonal is equal to root 2a. So it is for the perimeter, it is for the area, it is for the diagonal. Diagonals normally we discuss it capital D. And for the rectangle, if it is A and it is B, then perimeter is equal to 2 into A plus B. Area is equal to A into B. Diagonal is equal to root over of A square plus B square. Now, the unit is the same in the perimeter and the diagonal. There is the centimeter or meter, whatever the normal unit, and the area is the square centimeter or square meter. Now, please open your book 15.1. We start from the question number 3, 4 like this one, because the figure that is the 2 within the figure, this is not very common in the exam, so we discuss it later. Now first we discuss number 4. Question number 4 is the given a square figure. So that I did it up properly. The cost of farming a square land of Shamor at the rate of rupees 350 per square meter is rupees 1400. Before I doing this one, see the rate is given per square meter. So we can write this one, total cost rupees 1400. It is given. Total cost rupees 1400 given, and rate of cost. Rupees 3.50, it is also given. Therefore, area is equal to 1400 by 3.50. It is per square meter or per meter? Per square meter. So it is area is equal to square meter. We find it the square meter. Now how we calculate it? First we do 1400 into 100 by 350. So this point is adjust by this 100. Now 350 and 1400, you know this one, we can first cancel this and this. By 7 we cut the 5, and by 7 it is cut the 20, and by 5 it is cancelled by 4. So area is equal to 400 square meter. Now area is equal to 400 square meter. Then you can get by the side, where we write the area is equal to a square for the square. So if area is equal to 400 square meter, then by root over this one we can find the side is equal to 20 meter. How we write this one? Now area is equal to 400 square meter. Therefore, side is equal to root over 400 meter, that is 20 meter. Again, we read the next part of the math. Let us calculate how much cost will be the fencing around the four side with the same height of the Somers land at the rate of 8.50 per meter. Fencing means always we first find the perimeter of this one. Fencing means always we find the perimeter of this one. So first, along with the 20 centimeter sides, we find the perimeter of the field. So now, or again, perimeter is equal to 4 into 20, that is 80 meter. So cost for fencing, therefore cost of fencing is equal to rupees 80 into 8.50. So again we do the by this one, rupees 80 into 850 by 100, that this 20 is cancelled here and here. Now rupees, we calculate it, 680. Most probably it is the correct answer. So answer is 8 point, as a rate of 8.50 per meter. This is the 680. Wait 1 minute. I will see the answer script from your book. Then we will confirm the next sum. Yes, it is the 680 rupees, and so on. The math is correct. Now we go for the number 3. Number 3 is, first we do the number 3. Number 3 is the length and breadth of a rectangular field of something Samsongo is the ratio of 4:3. When there is a ratio question, then you must do this one. Let the length of is equal to 4x meter or breadth is equal to 3x meter, or you can do the A also, but the unknown, the common ratio is there, must be common ratio is there. So now we go for the number 3. Number 3 is dealt with the rectangular. So what we write? Let the length and breadth are, what is the ratio? 4:3. So it is the 4x and 3x meter. Please see again the unit. The path of 336 meter is covered by walking once around the field. Let us write the calculating the area of the field. According to problem, 2 into 4x plus 3x is equal to 336. Question is, the path of 336 meter is covered by walking once round the field. So it is the 2 into 4x plus 3x, that is the perimeter, is equal to 336. So 4x plus 3x is equal to 7x. This 2 is going in the right hand side, 336 by 2, or x is equal to x is equal to 2 into 24. So now we first find the length and the breadth of the rectangular field. Now length is equal to 4 into 24 meter and breadth is equal to 3 into 24 meter. Find this one. Find this one. It is the 4 into 24, that means 96, and 3 into 24, that is the 72 meter. They will ask calculate the area of the field. Now you can write this one, area is equal to L into B. So it is the 96 into 72 square meter. Hope this multiplication is done by you. So you can do it by this one, you can complete this one, then you go to your answer script and see this answer is right or wrong. If it is right, no question is there. If the question is not right, this question and the answer is not matching together, then see once by calculation. If there is any problem, then call me, because the phone number is there within the video. Now we go for this one. Next, Number 7. Number 7 is the length and breadth of a rectangular garden of Rehana are 14 meter and 12 meter. If the cost of the constructing an equally wide path inside the around the garden is rupees 1380 at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter, then let us write by the calculating how much wide the path. When the question for the path. Now see, when the question for the path, what's the figure is there. It is the number 7. The figure is like this one. It is the garden. They will tell the white path inside around this one. This is the white path. So this is the path. Which one we just shed this one? This is the path. In the path, there is no formula for the path. Formula is outer area minus inner area. Always any path means their formula is outer area minus inner area. And the students, please believe it, the figure is not very important for the mensuration. Why we do the figure? Figure is the way to understand how we do the maths. Figure is not so much important for this one. You can omit the figure also. The length and breadth of the garden of Rehana is 14 meter and 12 meter. The cost of constructing the equal wide path inside around the garden is 1380 at the rate of rupees 20 per square meter. Again we write the total cost. Total cost is equal to rupees 1380. Total cost is equal to rupees 1380 and the rate of cost. Rate of cost is equal to rupees 20 per square meter. So area of path. In the place of path, you can write the road also. 1380 by 20 square meter. So it is the 618969 square meter. Now let this width of the path, this is the x. Now let width of the path. Width of path is equal to x meter. So this side x, this side x. So if the total is a 14 meter, then the inner side is a 14 minus 2x. This side 12. This side x, this side x. If total is 12, then inside is 12 minus 2x. So we can write the outer length. Outer length is equal to 14 meter given. Now inner length. Inner length is equal to 14 minus 2x meter given. Outer breadth. Outer breadth is equal to 12 meter given. Inner breadth. Inner breadth is equal to 12 minus 2x meter given. What we tell the starting? That the area of the path is equal to always outer area minus inner area, and area is already, we know this one, the 69. So we can write like this one. According to problem, 14 into 12 minus 14 minus 2x into 12 minus 2x is equal to 69. When we multiply this one, say it is 14 minus into 12. Here is also 14 into 12 is there, and before this there is a minus, so it must be cancelled. So without multiplication we can start this one. 14 into 12 minus 14 into 12 minus 24x minus 28x plus 4x square is equal to 69. Next line, we just cancel 14 into 12 and 14 into 12. Then we calculate the value of x, and it is our requirement. Or 14 into 12 minus 14 into 12, these one both are minus. So minus means minus 8 4s are 12, carry 1, 2 2s are 4, 152. These minus and these minus makes them x minus 4x square is equal to 69, and this is cancelled. All we taken that side. 4x square minus 52x plus 69 is equal to 0. Here is a equation for the x, finding x, and it is a quadratic equation. So hope you can go for the middle term. How middle term is there? 69 means 23 23 into 3, so it is the 23 into 3, and 4 is 2 into 2, so it is the 46 and 6. So all 4x square minus 46 plus 6x plus 69 is equal to 0. You solve this one. Then you get the two value of x. One is too big in comparison to the 14 and 12, and one is moderate value in comparison of the 14 and 12. So that moderate value is the answer, because both are plus. Both are minus, so both are plus. See, if the x is more than 12 or very close to the 14, then how it can be both side minus from the 12? So the bigger value we cannot take in this one. The smaller value, most probably it is a 1.5, and this is taken as the width of the path. How do this one? 4x square minus 46x minus 6x plus 69 is equal to 0, or 2x is a common, 2x minus 23 minus 3 is a common, 2x minus 23 is equal to 0. So it is the 2x minus 3 or 2x minus 23 is equal to 0. From this one, it is x comes to the 11.5. 11.5 feet wide from the 12 breadth is quite impossible. So x is equal to 3 by 2, that is 1.5. It is our answer. So you can write this one, x is equal to 23 by 2, and within the bracket you write it is too big, and then you write the x is equal to 3 by 2, and the required width of the path is equal to 1.5 meter. So up to this one for our first lesson, first class. Second class we also go for the 15.1 exercise again.